When you're looking at roof replacement, pros and cons. Well, the pros are pretty heavy in a roof replacement if you take out one factor, and that's money. So the pros are this: you're going to get usually a warranty. Depending on that warranty, depending on that company, depending on that shingle, it can go from 5 years to a lifetime. So you've got at least some warranty on the material and some warranty on the labor. Second of all, you're getting brand new material. That material is going to be stripped all the way down to the wood decking of the roof, and you're going to get new ice and water barrier, you're going to get new underlayment, you're going to get new shingles. You're starting from scratch. So you're having a professional roofer build that roof the way it should be according to the manufacturer, and if you've got a good installer, according to that installer's spec and recommendations too. So that would be the pro. One is just really the budget for it. If you have the ability to do it, but if it's necessary and you've dealt with a good contractor, usually you can come up with alternatives such as financing, minimum down payments and longer financing payments, or really whatever it takes. But I'd say the main con is just the upfront investment on a roof replacement. Conversely, I think the cons to roof repairs, they outweigh the pros. The pros being sometimes it's a very simple fix, and we can do very simple fixes. Those being R51A vent, a soil stack. These are some of our most common repairs. Putting flashing around a chimney, things that really do make an impact on a leak, and they can be done relatively inexpensive and relatively quickly. So those would be the pros. Because if you've got a 2 or 3 year old roof and something just happened to the flashing, we need to come in there and fix it. Great, it's a couple $100 investment, and essentially you've got your roof back because we've taken care of that area according to the way we would have originally installed it. The cons are many. Sometimes you're installing good material into bad material. So whether or not we're weaving in shingles, we could be weaving in shingles into inferior shingles, inferior installation. We really don't know unless you have a good assessment of, who did the roof originally and some really good data on what we're looking at. A lot of times when we do some pretty robust repairs, it's a lot of guesswork. And then limited warranties. You might have one area repaired and then another area that was not associated with that leak or that particular damage, you're paying for that again. So it happens where we will encounter customers that continually chase repairs, and they might spend that money 2 or 3 times chasing down a repair, only to find that we're just finding new leaks along. So I would say as far as the cons, they in a lot of situations, they're probably a little bit heavier than the pros.